A lot of times I'll hit that about 3 licks on each side, then come over to this India stone, and you just develop a feel. Try to do it equal amounts on each side, like that. And then wipe the honing oil off. And here's a little piece of leather, kind of a mini strop. Really something pretty easy to build or to make. You can take the a buffing compound, kind of embed it in there, and that polishes your blade. So that's how I sharpen my curved blades. Um, Throughout the day, I'll come over to the stone a dozen times probably or more. It depends on what I'm making, but you can hit that 2 or 3 times on each side, strop it, and you're good to go.